is the Inclusive Compass. It's designed for kids of all ages to help with learning their cardinal directions. So it has a raised arrow and inset letters just to help all kids be able to learn, especially those who might have low vision or are blind, so that they can feel the letters and the arrow and be able to know what the compass is and what is meant by saying that north is up top and south is below, because they might not be able to visualize and understand what that means. So this is a way of helping them be able to see, just like their classmates who have regular or normal vision.